IVCA, sustainability is not just a commitment, it's a responsibility we actively embrace. Through the IVCA Climate and Sustainability Council, we are working to promote sustainable investments and foster regulatory engagement. In December, we partnered with the Grow Billion Tree initiative for the Green Return Summit, making it a carbon neutral event offsetting 48.75 tons of carbon emissions. This year, we're proud to extend this partnership to the IVCA conclave. We'll be offsetting over 110 tons of carbon emissions. Together with Grow Billion Trees, we are driving meaningful initiatives and look forward to your help in promoting the cause. Thank you all so much.
Hello everyone, I am Nidhi Singh, co-founder of Grow Billion Trees. So, Indian Venture and Alternate Capital Association always believe in taking meaningful steps towards sustainability. This year, we are planting trees for the guests attending the event. At Grow Billion Trees, we are honored to collaborate with IVC for this meaningful initiative. We are planting these trees under agroforestry model, and these trees are not only going to benefit the environment, along with that it is going to empower the local farmers here and give a lot of contribution towards their income. And each tree we planted here will be taken care and will be nurtured and ensuring the long-term growth of those trees.
We are planting these grafted guava trees in Sudamre village here in Pune district.
So whenever we are doing an agroforestry project with farmers, so we do take care and take consent from farmers, whatever plant they require, and for the market they have like the nearby area, so that it will be more helpful for their livelihood and give yields.
पौधे लगाते टाइम तो पहला तो इसको खड्डा लेना पड़ रहा है. खड्डा लेने के बाद इसमें खाद बोलते हैं अपन, जो शेन खाद बोलते हैं, नेचुरल जो है, तो वो इसमें हम डाल देते पहले. बाद में ये थैली निकाल के ये पेड़ हम अभी लगा सकते हैं इधर. अभी ये गावा जो है ये कम से कम एक साल में 2 बार हमको फल दे देंगे.
See, agroforestry is a more climate friendly agriculture. So when we do monocrops like jawar, bajra, wheat, so we end up destroying the biodiversity of the land, and the usage of pesticides and fertilizers is very high. But when we do agroforestry, when we plant trees, so it helps to correct the whole biodiversity cycle. It prevents soil erosion, and as we all know, the tree will fix carbon dioxide from the environment into the soil. And we also don't do tilling very frequently, so the carbon which is stored in the soil is not released back to the environment. So these are the environmental benefits. Along with that, this is also beneficial for the farmers. So earlier, let's say farmers were earning 25 to 30,000 per acre. With agroforestry, they start to earn between 70,000 to 1 lakh.
गेहूँ, ज्वारी, बाजरी यही करते थे. लेबर नहीं मिलते हमको, तो उसके वजह से हमने ये डिसीजन लिया है कि ये पूरा फलबाग ही पूरा.
तो फलबाग में लेबर कम लगता है, खर्चा कम लगता है. So for this event, we will be creating a digital forest, and on that digital forest, details about all the trees which are planted, all the future updates will also be there. And we'll also be issuing a tree certificate, and on that tree certificate, if you scan it, it will take you to the digital forest. And as you know that all the future updates about the progress of the trees, how they are doing, how it is benefiting the farmer will be there on that.
So we are grateful for the opportunity to work with IVCA. Let's continue to nurture our planet and the future generations to come. Let's plant more and more trees.